Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying to make Preppy Kitchen's s'mores cookies, and I will have the actual recipe linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But right now we're going to add in 10 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, and then we're going to add in a half cup of light brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Once you have those three ingredients, we're going to mix it until it is very nice and creamy. Once we have it at the consistency that we want, we're going to add in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once we're finished with our wet ingredients, we're going to move on to our dry ingredients. So I just added in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Once the dry ingredients are nice and mixed, just add them into your butter mixture and you are done. Now we're going to add in a few chocolate chips and marshmallow pieces to really give that s'mores effect. The recipe does say to add in crushed graham crackers at this point, but I didn't want to do that, so I just skipped that step. But if you guys want to do it, go ahead. I kind of struggled with breaking up the marshmallow pieces, but it actually turned out very good. And once all of your pieces are evenly mixed into the dough, we can get to baking. So this is what my finished cookie dough looks like. We're going to be baking at 350 degrees for 8 minutes, and this is how I'm placing my cookie dough. It's on a baking tray, but I kind of crisscross them so that when they spread out they won't overlap. There were 3 more, but I put those ones on a separate tray. So now we can bake. While the cookies are still warm, I'm going to try to separate them and kind of gently push them into a round shape so that when they're dry they turn out like this. And now my cousin is going to try it and tell us what she thinks.
I got chocolate.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.